Looking for a crimping tool that simplifies your network setup? Our multi-purpose RJ45 crimping tool is designed to handle everything from home LAN installations to office phone line repairs with ease. It strips wires cleanly and trims excess cable, so you get neat, professional results every time. What sets this tool apart is how fast and precise it is. Say goodbye to uneven connectors that don't fit right or cause connection issues. This crimper cuts and crimps wires in one smooth action, ensuring your cables plug in perfectly to routers, switches, or landline phones without hassle. Using it is surprisingly effortless. The ergonomic design requires minimal force, making it ideal for IT technicians and field engineers who need reliable performance without fatigue. Whether you're working on a network or a telephone line, this tool fits comfortably in your hand and gets the job done quickly. Durability matters when it comes to tools you rely on daily. Crafted from sturdy steel, this crimper withstands heavy use and won't wear out after just a few jobs. Its firm action holds up even in demanding environments, so you can trust it for years of cutting, stripping, and crimping internet cables. The kit goes beyond just the tool. You'll receive 50 mixed-color Cat6 pass-through connectors, 50 strain relief boots, and extra replacement blades. This all-in-one package keeps your toolkit stocked and ready for any wiring task, saving you time hunting for compatible parts. One satisfied customer from the U.S. shared how hesitant they were at first but quickly found the tool easy to use and highly effective. That kind of feedback highlights the value and reliability you get when choosing this RJ45 Crimper kit. If you're ready to upgrade your wiring setup with a dependable, easy-to-use crimping tool, this kit is worth a look. It streamlines your work and delivers professional results without the frustration of poorly made connectors. Try it when you're ready to experience fast, precise crimping and all the accessories you need in one package. Whether for personal projects or professional use, this RJ45 crimping tool kit makes cable installation straightforward and hassle-free.